Hello, everybody. I'm so sorry. So many of you have sent me tweets telling me that you couldn't see me, and I had a pause in my Periscope. So I thought I'd try it again, and we could craft together in this storm. That's looking outside. We are getting snow, sleet, and rain. And the streets are horrible. Let me turn my camera around. There I am. Hello, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad you did. Now look. Yes, thank you for joining me. Yes, the electricity is off, but I have candlelight. See? I have these wonderful candles that I found on sale that are for emergencies, so they last a long time and they are rather big. This is the project that I was trying to share with you before. Thank you for joining me, and thank you for the hearts. This is a free mitten pattern that I found online that I wanted to share with you. This is fleece fabric. It's so soft. I got this at the Joann Fabrics. Now let me get my candle. You know I love orange and peach. And you see, I hope you can see the colors. It's gray and yellow and a peachy orange. Perfect for me. I just love it. The pattern online is free. This is what I did. I went to Google and I typed in free mitten pattern. And guess what came up? 3 patterns came up. A place carries free mitten patterns. One for a child, one for a man, and one for a lady. This one is for the lady. And the one for men and the one for women both come with 3 different sizes: large, medium, and small. This is the large. Let me share with you the pieces. You'll need to cut out 2 of this piece. You'll need 2. That's the bottom. That's the top. You need 2 of those. You'll need to cut out 2 of this one. You have 2 pieces that create that thumb area in the mittens. This is one. You'll need to cut out 2 of those. And this is the other one. You'll need to cut out 2 of these. They create that thumb area. Now, they did not offer the instructions on this particular pattern, but I'm certain that you can locate the instructions online, even on YouTube. I'm sure they have the instructions. I was going to do a late night crafting tonight for Valentine's Day and start making our Valentine handmade greeting cards. But without the electricity, I don't know if I'll have enough light when it gets darker than it is now to have that Periscope tonight. So I wanted to share this project with you that I'm making for myself. And I hope you will give it a try and make yours as well. Because my electricity is off, my sewing machine, I can't use it. So I'm going to sit and I'm going to sew these by hand. If my electricity comes back on tonight, I'll share with you the finished product. I hope it comes out great. I'm thinking that it's not going to be very difficult. I'm not a seamstress. I'm a crafter. But I hope I'll enjoy making these for myself. They'll be so warm and so soft, and I hope you'll give it a try. If you're following me on Twitter at Gotta Be Handmade, or if you're liking me on Facebook at Gotta Be Handmade, share your photographs with me. Make these mittens for yourself and take pictures and send them to me. Let me see your projects. Stick with me. I hope you will. I have a lot of things planned for the rest of the year. I have an interview tomorrow with an artist who is absolutely fabulous. Please join me on Blab for my interview tomorrow with a handmade artist that I know you're going to love, and you are going to love her projects. I interviewed a lady yesterday who creates handmade purse patterns. Yes, she actually creates patterns for us to make beautiful handbags. So I hope you'll go and take a look at that interview on my YouTube page. Thank you so much for joining me. Be safe in this weather. We're having a tremendous storm, and our storm here is a lot of ice. My sister is in Washington, D.C., and she's getting a lot of snow. I love the snow, and I'd be right outside if I was there. But here, we're not getting a lot of snow. We're getting ice, and it's very dangerous. So if you're out, please be safe. And join me tonight if our electricity comes back on to see the finished product. And we'll talk more then. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a good one. Oh, and remember, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade.